Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for the 12th and the last day of my 12 days of Christmas series, I am making a holiday classic, some red velvet peanut butter blossoms. So if you want to see how to make this easy and delicious recipe, keep on watching. Let's start off by sifting our dry ingredients, and I'll have the exact measurements in my description box like always. But I am starting off by sifting 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, and then I am going in and adding 3 tablespoons of 100% unsweetened cacao. You can use any brand that you like, but this is the brand that I like. And then I'm adding a pinch of salt. And now this is the part that I messed up. I accidentally grabbed my sugar instead of grabbing the baking soda. So let's just pretend this is baking soda and just sift it. But later on, when I realized my mistake, I added my baking soda off camera and I sifted it. But make sure you remove all lumps, and then your final product should be smooth like this. So once you're done sifting your dry ingredients, put it to the side, and we're going to go next and we're going to mix our wet ingredients. So add 1 stick of softened unsalted butter, and here's the part you're supposed to add your sugar. So I am using both granulated sugar and brown sugar, so add your both sugars, and then we're going to add a peanut butter. So use some creamy peanut butter, and I am using Jif's, and I added 1 1/2 cups, 1/2 cup of Jif's peanut butter. And once you add your ingredients, just increase the speed of your mixer to medium speed and mix it for about 2 to 3 minutes. And what I like to do is once in a while, I'll just stop my mixer and push everything down because it tends to rise up. Push everything down and continue mixing to make sure everything is combined. And now I'm just going to slow down my speed to 1 and add my eggs as well as some pure vanilla extract. And I am adding 2 tablespoons of milk. I use half and half milk, but you can use any milk. And this is the part for our red velvet color. I am adding 1 teaspoon of the red gel food coloring. So once you add all of these ingredients, increase the speed again, and we're going to mix for about 2 to 3 minutes until it is really fluffy, and then we're going to add in our dry ingredients. So again, reduce the speed, add in your dry ingredients, and whenever you add in something, just reduce the speed and then increase it back. But we're just going to mix our dry ingredients until it combines, and it should look like this. And now moving on to forming our cookies. So use take a baking tray and add some parchment paper, and I have some red sanding sugar I'm gonna dip my cookies in, and this is what the final dough looks like for our red velvet peanut butter blossom. So to measure out my dough or my cookie size, I am using a one teaspoon to help me measure out. But you just want to make balls that are 1 inch in size. Just shape your ball until it is nice and round, and then once you're done, just dip it into the red sanding sugar, and that is it, guys. It is so easy to make, and it's so fun to do. You can do it with your kids or just your family and friends. Just repeat the entire process until you're done sanding all of your cookies. And I only needed 1/4 cups of the sanding sugar, and that is it, guys. Just put it in the oven for 10 minutes at 375. And once your cookies are done, as soon as it comes out of the oven, we're gonna add our chocolate to it before our cookies harden. But this is what it looks like. It should have some cracks on it. That's natural. And I am using Hershey Kisses, and you can use any type that you want, but I'm using the mixed one that has the milk chocolate and the white cream. And just put it in the center, and it should just go down very easily and very smooth. And this is what the final result looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to say thank you for watching my 12 days of Christmas series. If you haven't seen the rest of my videos, go check it out. But happy holidays. Thank you so much. Bye.